Hi, thank you for subbing for me today. I just wanted to show you a little bit about my lesson plans. So I will send you the link for my plans, and there'll be a video here for you to watch this video. This slide will show you my class list. I have a total of 27 students. They're all great students. The ones highlighted in yellow will be able to help you with anything that you need help with, so be sure to ask any of them. And then our schedule, since you're subbing for me on a Monday, there is no specials on Mondays, so no PE, library, anything like that. So you'll just remind the students to do their independent work. And today there's no small group because teachers are in training. So this would be the first slide that you share with the student. So I'm going to show you how you share your screen. At the bottom, there's this share screen button. You click it. You want to click share your sound and then click the which one you want to share. So that would be this one. And you click share. So now you are sharing your screen for the students. So if you notice that I have notes on the bottom of mine with times. Don't worry so much about the times. Just do your best to stay close to the time as you can. But this is the screen that you'll share when the students come in. And you can make it larger. You can go up here and zoom in. So that way they can see a little bit better. I'm going to exit right there. So they're going to send you a chat with that corrected sentence there. Then they're going to go to the Google Classroom and complete the student shout-outs, and I have directions on how to get there. And then you'll go over the completed morning task that they sent you in chat. If you don't mind just keeping notes of who participates, so that way I can give them a dojo point. And then they're going to do the morning announcements. I'll post a video here. There's just not one posted yet. If for some reason there's still not one posted, just ask someone to stand up and say the pledge and the Bobcat pledge as well. It is my expectation that all students have their cameras on and they're muted during this, and that each and every student is standing and actively saying the Pledge of Allegiance and the Bobcat pledge. After that, if you'll go over our schedule, followed by the expectations, and then they're going to complete from 9 to 9:45 a races activity. So this is an activity we've worked on last week, and we'll continue this week, and then some more after Christmas break. So I made a video. All you'll have to do is click this button right here, and it will show the video. If you want to make it larger, you can click right here, and it makes it larger for the students. To escape that, you just press escape on your keyboard, and it takes you right back out. So after you've shown this video, the students are then going to begin working. So this is not new to the students. We've worked on it all week. This is not the first one we've done, so they should be working the entire time and they should know what is expected of them. But you will want to keep this screen displayed while they're working so that they can look back at it for their editing and revising, and to remind them the slide numbers in which they can look back on to complete the assignment. At 9:45, please stop and have the students mute their mics and stop the video and take a 15-minute break. If you'll mute your mic and stop your video as well, but you do want to click this triangle to play the timer. When the timer goes off, you will begin math, and here's just a little rundown of what you'll be doing in math. On this slide, this is our number corner calendar. So they will tell you how many pairs of parallel sides, congruent sides, and congruent angles, and you'll just click and type in there. And then with that information, they'll come up with the shape name. And they can just unmute and tell you or send it in chat. And then on this slide, so make sure you're sharing your screen, of course. You're going to show this screen and ask the students what they notice. How are these numbers the same and how are they different? the students can put it in chat to you, and then call on a few students to tell you what they notice. What are the similarities and what are the differences? After that, if you will play this video for them, after you play this video, they're going to complete the assignment in Google Classroom, and I'll show you where all of the assignments are in just a minute. And the assignment is titled Friday, December 11th and Monday, December 14th Math Checkpoint. My video shows them where to find the assignment. But if you notice down here in yellow and green, I have a few notes for you. And that is because on Friday they had a substitute and they started this on Friday. So some of the students have finished. Donna, Paloma, Jeremiah, and Sky have finished. So they can either work on a math station or complete Imagine Math or Imagine Math Facts. A few students, like Javier, turned it in completely blank, had not done anything. Tell him, and it's in my video as well, that it has to be done. He may not just click turn it in, or he will get a 0. Osvani turned it in, but he made quite a few mistakes, so I sent it back to him with I highlighted his mistakes and left comments, so he'll need to open it up and complete that. I mentioned that all in my video as well. Wesley forgot to answer a few problems, so I sent it back to him again with comments, and I highlighted the problems he forgot. And Inez only missed a few, which gave her a level 1. A level 3. So if she wants to go back and complete the 3 or 4 that she missed, she can. Again, I've highlighted her mistakes and left comments. Everyone else did not finish. So they will finish it and turn it in today. Please remind them that it is due today. And if they don't finish it now, they need to finish it during their independent work time to turn in to me. At 11 o'clock, you will begin ELD. And this week we're doing something new. This week we are doing holidays around the world. So this will be new to the students, but I've made a video to explain it to them. My video walks them through how to find it and what to do on each slide. So if you'll show the video and pause it so that they can find the assignment and complete whatever that slide is asking them to do. If they don't finish, they need to finish during their independent work and turn it in. And then at 11:25, if you will please go over the independent assignments. This has already been sent out to parents. So just read the independent assignments to the students. Tell them that they are expected to do it. Remind them that this video link they need to highlight, copy, and paste into a new web browser. And it's a video of me showing them how to complete. Hey guys, it's a video of me showing them how to complete the Jeopardy game, and remind them that they also have to copy and paste that Jeopardy game into a new browser. The video that I posted tells them how to play the Jeopardy game. So they need to watch that video first. Again, this was all sent out to parents on Dojo and email, so the parent should remind them as well. Also remind them there's no small group today. And then if you could please fill this out to let me know how my students did, and if you'll let me know who did a great job, who is being responsible, respectful, keeping their camera on, completing their work, and participating. That way I can reward them with Dojo points. That would be awful helpful. So let me show you Google Classroom. So here is the Google Classroom, and here is classwork. Everything that the students will need for today is right here under classwork, week of December 14th through the 18th. It's all here and assigned to them. So they should be able to find it quickly and begin on it. So once you're done and you've typed in here, if you could just share it back with me, and in order to do that, you click share. And then you just type my name in there. And done. And it shares it with me, and then I can get the information so I can reward the students. Thank you so much and have a great day.